For patients that have removable dentures, whether they're upper or lower, a lot of times they're just not happy with their fits and the sores that they develop and the stability of the restorations. And we offer some different options for these patients, and they involve implants. We can have something that helps the stability a little bit more, and that's usually a couple implants. Sometimes you still have to remove the restoration. When you do want to have something that stays in your mouth, that's when we do 5, 6 implants and we put a restoration that's stable on there, connected. It doesn't come out at night. It doesn't sit next to your night table. It's in your mouth all the time. And they just feel like new people. They just are so happy. They feel revived, recharged. They can smile with confidence. They socialize more. They eat better. And ultimately, their health is also better because they can chew their food and digest better, which that leads to the whole body health system. Here at Stuparich Nouel Dental Associates, implants have become a big part of our practice, and we're grateful that we can help so many patients. So if you're interested in improving your happiness, your health, your smile, reach out to us and give us a call, and we'd be more than glad to help you with that.